Hey guys, so welcome to Hello-Haus. So we bought these three art. It's more into the rainforest look. So basically we have tiger and hornbill and also the rainforest queen. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see how we hex the wall. This is the one, the number one you can see. So you have to clean first the wall, the surface. So after that, this is a sticker. You have to peel them off, and then you have to paste it here, and then yeah, put it in the wall accordingly. Okay, so we are done. See you later. The stickers from IKEA that we bought just now into the wall. The measurements, the tape of measurement, he dig down the spot. Let's see. Steve is double confirm the measurement from up to the top. Sorry, from the bottom to the top. You double check the measurement that you have made. You just need pencil, the measurement tape. The same things that he did from the bottom to top. As you can see, there's the glue stick from IKEA. It works so good, yeah. For 15 seconds, you need to press. Keep pressing in order to make the glue stick to the wall. That's for sure. Take out the plastic.
Now do you take 5 seconds here?
Okay, so 5 seconds you need to press again in order to get the hook stick to the glue. So now we work on the frame. Wow, that was so nice. You need 15 seconds for pressing, right? For this, yeah. So guys, when you do it at home, so please make sure that you press it for 50 seconds in order the sticker to stick correctly in the wall. Ta-da! So now you put the hook. Put the sticker again. Make sure you mark the spot correctly after you measure on what measurement or look layout that you like to. So you keep massaging, rubbing into the sticker. Okay, it can be a bit longer too if you like. So now we put the hook. Keep pressing 5 seconds. Putting the frame for the right side. Look amazing. The one on the left. Yeah. So easy. What you have to do, you just need to buy the stickers, stick them all, follow the step that what Steve did, and after that you just hang. So yeah. To finalize the measurement of
Good.
yep. If you don't want to damage your wall, you can use the tricks, the stickers. Now, our rainforest art wall is just ready. If you have a questions on the video today, so please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube, Hello-Haus. Our Hello-Haus team, we would like to say thank you for watching our channel. So we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.